This is how you can highlight the highest value in your bar chart here. First, you're going to insert the bar chart itself, select the whole data set like this, and you go insert under charts. You're going to select a clustered chart, and now reposition your chart so that you have enough space just next to the sales value, because we're going to add a brand new column itself here. You're going to say equal if open parenthesis B2 equal to, we're going to use a function called max because we're going to find the maximum value in the whole table of sales here. You're going to press F4 once to make it into an absolute reference, close parenthesis. If it's the max, we're going to just show B2 value itself. If it's not, we're going to show a not a number status here so that the trend will not be printed. Hit enter. Now you're going to apply the same formula to the rest of the rows like this, and it will identify that this is the largest value in the whole of the sales column here. Next, we're going to plot this column itself in the sales itself. You're going to right click on the chart itself. Now you're going to say select data, add, and in here you're going to press this button here and select your new column that you just added, and then press the same button back to bring back this series here. Now you can see that the orange bar appears next to it. Let's click OK to close this window, and OK one more time. Now to superimpose this new bar into the main bar itself, right click on the orange bar like this, and then go format data series. Over here on the overlap, or rather the series overlap, you're going to change this to 100% so that it superimposes itself into the original bar chart itself. Next, you're going to just close it and you are done. And just as a test, I'm going to make any of this value, maybe June value to be say 888, the highest, and hit enter. You can see that the bar chart updates accordingly. And I'm going to do another test here, maybe go 69 here like this to make it the highest, and then the trend will get updated accordingly as well.